Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? It's time for the final countdown. The new year starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Heyo, boss, and Happy New Year from all of us at the Cooking Corner. We know it was a difficult year for everybody, but we did get through it, and with a new year right around the corner, we have a fresh start and some more great videos to share. So, Chef, by chance, what are you and the missus doing for New Year's? Oh, blockbuster and chill. Very classy. Too bad only Generation X and older will know what that joke means. Next year is actually our 5-year anniversary on YouTube, so congratulations there for us. Really cool. We'll talk about that next year and what we're going to do. But while we still have this year to round out, Chef has a fun appetizer. He's going to show us how to make spicy garlic Korean chicken wings. A little bit of heat, a lot of flavor, and we think you're going to really enjoy this. Especially with the new year turned around coming through, it's great to have a little appetizer to bring to the table or your party. We think you're going to really enjoy these, so for the last time in 2020, let's get cooking. So the first thing you're going to do is, of course, get some chicken wings. Chef said you can use frozen wings, just make sure you thaw them. Chef is using fresh ones, of course, he always does, usually. And he's going to salt and pepper these chicken wings. And the salt's just going to extract some of that moisture. You don't want to fry anything that's frozen or has water in it. So after the chicken wings in place aside to kind of warm up, he's going to put his fresh oil in his pan there to cook up, his fryer. And he did say you can oven bake these wings if you don't want to fry them. Okay, while that oil's heating up, go ahead and place just a little bit of oil in a cooking pan, frying pan there. Add your chopped garlic first. And cook these for about 2 minutes or so. And your heat's going to be right around medium. Don't forget, all the ingredients will be listed down below. And check out our blog for the full recipe. Okay, after about 2 minutes, you're going to add all the other ingredients. First is going to be a cider vinegar. And then some soy sauce. And then you can add the chili garlic sauce. After that, you can go ahead and add your sesame oil. A little bit of orange juice. And some honey. Honey for the money. Chef's got a new little spatula there. How cute. Comes in handy, he said. Okay, after that, before it gets to sit, go ahead and add some ginger. And then stir this and keep it on low heat while you get everything else prepared. So, looks like Chef's oil's good to go, about 360 degrees. These are naked wings. If you want to bread them, you can, Chef said. So go ahead and drop those in. And you're going to let these cook until they're fully done, of course. Chef went a little bit longer because Mrs. Chef loves extra crispy wings. So, of course, we're going to be checking these from time to time. And then once they're fully done, you can just drain them a little bit. Oh, they got a nice golden brown color. Dump them in a bowl and get ready to finish these off. So go ahead now and just get your sauce and just spoon a little bit in. You don't have to dump it all in. Of course, Chef probably could have used a little ladle or something. But he didn't add it all, and depending on how many wings you cook, that's how much you're going to really need. That's why Chef told me to tell you that. Next up, go ahead and just coat these. Shake them a little. Use some tongs. Move them around. Get them all nice and coated. And get ready to prep these. So we're going to go ahead and take out a nice little serving tray here. Prep these up like this. Make them look nice and fancy for your guests. And then you can add some sesame seeds right on top of that. Make them look fancy. And in the back there, Chef, of course, going to have his classic blue cheese for dipping. And then that's really it. Serve these up just like so. They were really good. Had a little bit of heat, a lot of flavor, and it was a great little mix. So We definitely hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new, and share our videos if you really like what we're doing. Thanks everyone for everything you've done this year by supporting us and commenting and watching our videos. We really appreciate it. Next year is going to be a really big year. It's our 5 years, so we have a lot to do. And Happy New Year, everyone. Be safe, and remember, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.